Imagine a world where every electronic component is tailored specifically to meet your project's unique demands. This is the world of KUK Group, founded in 1990 in Switzerland. We pride ourselves on our ability to deliver customer-specific inductive components that power industries, from automotive to medical. With 1,000 employees across 7 global production sites, our innovative winding technology produces more than 200 million wound coils a year. This capability isn't just about numbers. It's about delivering precision and quality, directly aligning with your supply chain needs, no matter where you are in the world. Our broad spectrum of services means you have access to all shapes, dimensions, and series sizes of winding goods, alongside robust assembly services. This holistic approach simplifies your procurement process, ensuring your projects maintain momentum. KUK Group offers everything from coil manufacturing to complex assemblies under one roof. Our capabilities are particularly known for producing miniature coils with wires starting from 0.010 mm. We are also a recognized partner for demanding bobbin coils, inductors, or edgewise windings. For your custom coil and assembly, from the product idea to large-scale production, KUK is your reliable partner, ensuring excellence every step of the way. Our expertise in automation ensures we can quickly and flexibly start production lines. Paired with our internal production management software, we stand out as a contract manufacturer. Since the beginning, KUK Group has been built on trust, flexibility, and accuracy.